Welcome to AI Snippets. Please feel free to jump to a timestamp to listen to the snippet of your choice. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss important AI news. Over 170,000 actors and writers from Hollywood have initiated a strike in order to demand job security with regards to AI, better compensation, and guaranteed work. This strike has a significant impact on major studios such as Disney, Netflix, Amazon, and Sony. Notable movies affected by the strike include highly anticipated sequels like Beetlejuice 2, Deadpool 3, Gladiator 2, Mortal Kombat 2, and Venom 3, among others. Prominent celebrities like George Clooney, Matt Damon, Robert Downey Jr., Emily Blunt, Margot Robbie, Florence Pugh, Jason Sudeikis, and Susan Sarandon are lending their support to the strikes. Experts in the industry are cautioning that a prolonged strike could have far-reaching consequences for the entire internet. This situation is a reminder that AI's impact on various sectors is only just beginning to be felt. Caleb Maddix recently introduced Air AI on Twitter, a conversational AI system capable of conducting comprehensive sales and customer service calls lasting anywhere from 5 to 40 minutes, with a remarkable resemblance to human interaction. Key details include: Air AI can independently perform tasks across 5,000 distinct applications. It can adapt to various roles, including sales development representative, customer service agent, account executive, and more, guided by creative input. Currently, Air AI is actively engaged in live calls, providing assistance to real individuals and businesses on a daily basis. Companies can request beta access to deploy an AI-based sales or customer service team. The significance lies in the fact that unlike humans, AI operates tirelessly without the need for breaks, presenting a challenging competition for certain human job roles, such as customer service agents.
Oh?
Hey, James.
Yeah, who's this?
Hey, James. It's Alexander from Tesla Motors. How's your day going so far?
It's going pretty good, my man. How about yourself? And you said from Tesla, right? It's the car company?
Yeah, that's right. I'm calling from Tesla Motors, the car company. Did you have any trouble or questions while customizing your car on our website?
No, we're just kind of shopping around and, just taking a look.
Gotcha. That makes sense. Sometimes we're just exploring our options before making a decision, and I totally respect that. Can I ask you why you were looking into a Tesla in the first place?
Yeah, I mean, I've had my car for way too long now, and so I'm kind of taking a look at options. And I have a lot of friends who just absolutely rave about Tesla. And, me myself, I'm actually a big fan of Elon Musk. So I figured I might as well take a look and kind of explore my options there and see what you guys had available.
That's a smart approach, James. It's always good to explore your options and see what's available. Out of curiosity, what do you currently drive?
Yeah, I drive it's an old Ford Fusion, my man.
Nice, a Ford Fusion. Why are you looking to switch things up and consider a Tesla?
Yeah, I mean, I've had that car since I got my first job years back. And it was just time for a change. So it's like, it's not super reliable anymore, and it's time for an upgrade. I'm moving into the city now, and I just think it's time. While I get the new apartment, might as well get the new car at the same time,
I totally get that, James. Moving to a new apartment is a great opportunity to make some fresh changes, including getting a new car. Are you looking at purchasing any other cars at the moment, or are your eyes just set on Tesla?
I'm still looking around, but mainly Tesla. I have a lot of friends who, obviously have them, and I'm a little bit jealous. I have to say, when I, test drive them, and they're super fast. Obviously, it looks really, really amazing. So mainly looking at Teslas and just kind of trying to figure out which is the right one, and before making a decision on which one to go with.
Well, let's change that as soon as possible then. It looks like you're in Omaha, Nebraska. Is that right?
Yeah, correct.
Great. What if I do this for you? What if I schedule a time for you to come into a dealership near you to give a Tesla an official test spin, and you can see if this is the car that makes sense for you? Is that something you would be down for?
Absolutely. That would be amazing.
Awesome. Well, it looks like we have a 7 p.m. or an 11 a.m. available in Omaha time. Which time works best for you?
Let's do the 7 o'clock.
Great. I'll lock in that time for you. You're all set for a test drive at 7 p.m. Anything else I can help you with, James?
Nope, that's it. I really appreciate you giving me the call.
Well, it was my pleasure speaking with you, James. I can't wait for you to give a Tesla a spin. There's nothing like it, in my opinion. If you have any more questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Bye-bye. Thanks so much.
The Israel Defense Forces have integrated artificial intelligence into their operations, utilizing AI recommendation systems to select targets for airstrikes and AI models like Fire Factory to organize wartime logistics. Although human operators oversee and approve targets and air raid plans, the technology remains unregulated. The IDF has employed AI systems during conflicts in the Gaza Strip, describing it as the world's first AI war. Israel's frequent airstrikes in response to rocket attacks, along with escalating tensions with Iran, have prompted the development of AI-based tools. However, concerns about accountability, explainability, and the potential for unintended consequences persist. Meta recently unveiled CM3leon, their latest generative AI model that excels in both text-to-image and image-to-text generation tasks. Key highlights include: CM3leon can produce text and image sequences based on given sequences of text and image content. In text-to-image generation, it achieves performance using only 1/5 of the compute power required by previous transformer-based approaches. It can generate captions for images and provide answers to image-related questions. CM3leon is the first multi-modal model trained using a technique derived from text-only language models. Notably, despite being trained on a smaller dataset of 3 billion tokens, CM3leon's performance is comparable to larger models. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to be instantly notified of regular updates. Thanks for watching.